So, I just checked my blood sugar like few seconds ago, pero magbe-breakfast kasi ako and I'm really craving for a pandesal. So, kakain tayo ng 3 pandesal today, guys. Tapos, titignan natin kung magkano yung itataas niya. Alright? So, let's see. Ano kaya ang magiging blood sugar ko after eating 4 pandesal, egg, and San Mig coffee? Baltaan ko kayo mamaya, guys. So, watch out. So, hi guys. So, we're back. Check na natin yung aking blood sugar after eating 4 malunggay pandesal with egg. Tapos, nag-coffee din ako ng San Mig Light. So, tignan natin, guys, kung kumusta naman ang aking blood sugar after taking those food. Kasi alam ko na medyo hindi dapat kainin. So, yun, check natin ang aking blood sugar. So, let's see. So, this is after 2 hours, guys. Nakapag walking na ako dyan sa labas. Then, I showered our 2 fur babies. Tapos, naghugas na ako ng dishes. So, yun, let's see. 144. So, 129. 144 less 129. So, medyo mataas siya, guys. Yeah, anyway, let's be healthy and take care of ourselves. Have a good day, everyone.